A fresh early unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has just surfaced, and it is creating serious buzz in the smartphone world. Even before the official announcement, detailed hands-on footage has already revealed many of the phone's key features, design changes, and even a few concerns. This is now the second major early review leak, and it is clear that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is having a very unusual pre-launch moment. The latest leak comes from a tech YouTuber based in Bangladesh, who somehow managed to obtain the device ahead of release. While earlier leaks were quickly taken down after pressure from Samsung, this new review managed to stay online long enough to give everyone a solid look at the upcoming flagship. Interestingly, part of the video is styled like a short action film, but the important part is that the phone itself is shown clearly, and the device looks more refined than many expected. The Galaxy S26 Ultra appears noticeably more modern compared to earlier renders. One of the most talked about changes is the redesigned camera bump on the back. Instead of looking bulky, the camera island now appears more elegant and better integrated into the phone's body. Side-by-side comparisons with the previous generation show a cleaner and more polished design language. Despite earlier rumors suggesting otherwise, the phone reportedly still uses a titanium frame. Many leaks had claimed Samsung would switch back to aluminum after Apple made a similar move last year, but this review suggests titanium remains part of the Ultra experience. That is good news for durability fans. There are also some small but meaningful physical improvements. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is slightly lighter than its predecessor, weighing about 214 grams compared to 218 grams. It is also thinner, measuring 7.9 mm versus the previous 8.2 mm. These are not massive changes, but they do make the device feel a bit more refined in hand. Powering the phone is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is expected to deliver top-tier performance. Most of the other specifications line up with earlier leaks. The phone reportedly includes a 5000 mAh battery, support for 60-watt charging, and the expected camera upgrades that Samsung fans have been waiting for. However, the real headline feature is the brand new privacy display. This hardware-level privacy feature allows the screen to appear dark or obscured to anyone trying to view it from the side. In simple terms, it helps keep on-screen content visible only to the person directly in front of the phone. According to the early hands-on footage, the feature works impressively well and could become one of the most unique additions in this year's flagship lineup. In an industry where many phones feel increasingly similar, this privacy display could help the Galaxy S26 Ultra stand out. It adds a practical layer of security while also feeling genuinely futuristic. But the early review was not entirely positive. The biggest concern mentioned was heat management. During testing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra reportedly became noticeably warm while using the camera and even during simple video playback. While the heating was not described as a complete deal-breaker, it is still surprising to see this behavior on a Snapdragon-powered flagship. Since overheating issues are more commonly associated with Exynos chips, performance throttling could become a concern if the heating persists under heavy workloads. At this stage, it is unclear whether the issue is hardware-related or simply early software that still needs optimization. There was also mention of Wi-Fi connectivity problems on the review unit. This strongly suggests the device may be running pre-release software. In most cases, Samsung typically pushes updates around launch time that fix bugs like these, so there is a good chance these issues will improve. Meanwhile, the leak situation itself is becoming a story of its own. Reports indicate that some units originally intended for certain markets, including parts of Africa, may have been redirected through suppliers and ended up in the hands of reviewers and retailers. Because of this, photos, videos, and camera samples are already spreading widely online. Samsung has attempted to control some of the leaks through takedown requests, but with the official reveal just around the corner, the effort may be too late. Once multiple units enter the wild, stopping the information flow becomes extremely difficult. Some analysts believe Samsung's attention may be divided this year, with strong focus reportedly going toward upcoming foldable devices, including the rumored Galaxy Z Fold and a wider Galaxy Z Fold 8. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may not be getting the full spotlight it once commanded. There is also growing discussion about whether this Ultra generation is a major upgrade or more of an incremental refresh. Aside from the rounded design tweaks, improved camera island, and the new privacy display, some early impressions suggest the changes may feel modest compared to previous big leaps. Still, it would be wise not to jump to conclusions too early. Final retail units often perform better than pre-release devices, and Samsung could still surprise buyers with software optimizations, AI features, or aggressive pricing strategies at launch. For now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a polished but slightly controversial flagship. It brings meaningful refinements and an eye-catching privacy feature, but early heating and connectivity concerns are definitely worth watching. The official announcement is just around the corner, and that is when the full picture will become clear. If this breakdown was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks and updates.